Hi friends, welcome back to English with Savi. So today I have some facts. The age of revival. The age of revival. So if I talk about age of revival, it started 1400 to 1550. 1400 to 1550, and it witnessed a wide ranges of political changes with the crowning of Henry V as the king of 1413. If I talk about literature in this period, in this period means age of revival. So if I talk about literature, so this period following the death of Chaucer was largely in barren period. Okay, barren period that did not produce any work of note in this period. So in the age of revival, the focus was more of classical learning. Focus more on classical learning. The interest in classical literature presented the growth of the native literature. And if I talk about major prose writers of the revival age, writers were Sir Thomas Malory, William Caxton, and Thomas Moore. And if I talk about Thomas Malory's life span, so it 1415 to 1471, and famous works are the whole book of King Arthur, Knights of the Round Table, and Morte the Orphan. These are famous works by Thomas Malory. And William Caxton's life span 1422 to 1491. He was first English he was first English printer. And last, Thomas Moore. And if I talk about life span of Thomas Moore, so it is 1478 to 1535, and his famous work is Utopia. Utopia was published 1516, and another work is Apology, the history of King Richard III. These are famous works of Thomas Moore. So these were famous writers, prose writers actually, not writers, prose writers of the revival age. If you like